Hi Cosorians, I'm Chef Margaret and today I'll be making these ultra crispy Parmesan potato wedges. Hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon, and then let's jump into this video. Alright, so my ingredients are all prepped out. I've got 2 small russet potatoes, 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, a tablespoon of any neutral flavored oil, got 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And if you need any of the measurements in metric, just check out the description link below. So we're gonna start with the potatoes. I'm gonna cut each one into 8 wedges lengthwise. You kind of just cut them in half like that, cut them in half again, and in half one more time. And then the same with this guy, like that. And I'm gonna put them in a large bowl, and then we're gonna cut this guy as well. In half, and half again. Awesome. Okay, so now all we're gonna do is add all of the remaining ingredients into this bowl and give it a toss. So I'm gonna add the oil, drizzle that in there. Got the salt, the paprika, got some dried oregano and garlic powder, and the Parmesan. And if you prefer to do like a different type of spice blend or seasonings, feel free to, change it up, do your favorites. You can just follow the same time and temperature basically, and they'll come out really delicious. And I really love making these potato wedges because they're so fast to make and so easy. With our French fry recipe, we recommend, kind of soaking the potatoes beforehand, which, adds a little bit more time. But with this one, you just cut them, add the spices, pop them in the air fryer, and they're ready to go. So we are using the Cosori Dual Blaze today, which is awesome. It's a 6.8 quart basket, and we've got the crisper plate, which I'm gonna keep inside, and all I'm gonna do is add the potato wedges right in there. And don't need to preheat the air fryer for this, for the Dual Blaze, which is really awesome. If you don't have this specific model and yours comes with like a preheat button, you probably should preheat the air fryer for about maybe like 5 minutes. But with this guy, it works so well with the top and bottom heating elements, so really no need to preheat. I just, lay my potato wedges really nice, and I'm going to pop them in using the French fries function for 22 minutes, and then they'll be ready. No need to shake either halfway through cooking. Just 22 minutes, and then they're ready to go. All right, the air fryer just went off, so let's check out the potato wedges. Oh yes, you hear how they're nice and crispy. They got super golden evenly throughout. They just look really, really delicious. So now all I'm gonna do is plate them up, and then we are ready to eat. All right, I've got the potato wedges all plated up. I sprinkled some extra Parmesan and a little bit of fresh parsley just for some green color. And I've got some ranch, but you can add, serve this with your favorite dipping sauce. Let's give them a taste. These are so good. They're crispy. They're still crispy even for like sitting out for a little bit, and they're perfectly seasoned with the spices. but of course you could do your favorite or just keep it super simple and do, you know, just salt is always, it's always great. And it was so amazing that these cooked in our dual blaze air fryer. No need to preheat, didn't need to shake halfway through cooking, just 22 minutes and they're done. You can just pop them in and forget about them, which is so amazing, I think. And I hope you guys give this recipe a try. And let me know, do you guys prefer French fries or potato wedges? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.